So I'm wearing the Faye Knockers by Jenny Bird. I'm already a big fan of the brand. So those are in gold and it's kind of like a pair of hoops on a swing. The thing I like the most about this one is that it's really lightweight. I almost don't feel like I'm wearing anything right now. I think it's a good pair of earrings that you can wear every single day, and it's really elegant and really classy. It's gonna elevate your whole outfit in literally 2 seconds. And it's gonna arrive in this little pouch, and it also comes with care instruction, which I really appreciate. I would definitely recommend.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about this item and try it before you buy, head on over to fromthelobby.com. You'll pay $0 at checkout and only be charged for what you keep after 14 days. While you're there, you can watch and shop hundreds of video reviews from all your favorite brands. More details and links in the description below.